look at this. Look at this. It's so heavy. Oh my goodness. This beautiful box covered in Squishmallow stickers is from my friend Holly in Brisbane. So Holly makes handmade Squishmallow accessories. She uses micro Mallows and squish-a-longs to create these gorgeous little products, and she also offers custom products. Over the past 6 months, she has been creating beautiful custom Squishmallow items for me. And this box is full of Squishmallow jewelry, Squishmallow keyrings, so many Squishmallow things I've lost track. I can't actually remember exactly what's in here, but we're gonna find out together today. The box is so beautifully decorated. Look how many Squishmallow stickers are on here. That fox in purple is literally me. This one says, do not open this side. So, we gotta open from this. Be free, my beautiful squishy things. Oh my goodness, it's purple already. Beautiful purple sparkly packaging to start us off. Oh my goodness, it's a little squishy card. I know I have to read the card first, but look at this. Oh my goodness. Okay, one thing at a time. This is the cutest envelope ever. Then we've even got Sunny on the back to close it up. Beautiful squish card too. Monica, hold that. This is the best wrapped package I have ever received. Look at this. It's got all this purple packaging. It's got little pom-poms in here. I haven't even opened anything, and it's already the best package I've ever received. Now, this was sitting on the top, and this is a beautiful bag of freebies. Before I even get into the actual things I ordered from her, look at all these. First of all, we have this. I cannot remember what it's called off the top of my head. It's called a fig band. They came in mystery bags, and I never opened the Wendy. So basically, this is a bracelet that can also be used as a figure. Here is how it looks as a figure with all these other beautiful green frogs. And we've got the purple ice cream micro mellow as a magnet. So she's attached a magnet to this so I can stick it on my fridge or any magnetic surface. Thank you, Holly. That is so sweet. Oh my goodness. Stop. It's a dress up your own frog Squishmallow sticker pack. Hold on. Okay, let's put these cutie eyes. Let's do a big happy smile. Big happy smile. Wait, no, I changed my mind. I want the other one. There we go. That looks more like a Squishmallow. Then it's even got little hearts for heart cheeks. Then it's got a whole bunch of little accessories. I'm gonna give this little mushroom. I'll put that on the stomach. So now she's like this Wendy. Then I also really want to give her this party hat. That is the best thing I've ever seen. I don't know where to stick her. She's too beautiful. I'll just stick her back on the sticker sheet for now. And then as well as this glorious sheet, Holly has also given me 80 million beautiful squish stickers. Oh my goodness. There's the purple Care Bear Squishmallow, Rosie wearing a hat and bag. It's Wendy herself. Then we have the strawberry frog, Patty the cow. I've also got this octopus with the cutest eyes, Wendy looking stylish in a Hawaiian shirt. Malcolm is toasting marshmallows, purple boba tea, Junie the banana, and Maui the pineapple. Oh my gosh, this one's so cute. It's Archie and Beulah the octopus having a little hug. This is Pillar the grasshopper, Patty with the rainbow. Then there is a whole sticker sheet of sparkly squish stickers and another sticker sheet with adorable mini squish. I meant to decide where to stick them all. I think I'll just stick them everywhere. Now it's onto the actual package. The first little package is in this really cute pink bag. We've got a purple boba tea saying let's get it poppin'. This is the best packaging ever. And then on the back, it's sealed with a purple sticker that says Mallow Days. What is in here? What is in here? It's my army of frog squish-a-longs. So Holly opens up a lot of squish-a-longs, and every single time she got a frog, I bought it off her. Now I have the most glorious army. These are going all over my house. For now, They look so good there, I might just leave them there. Look how glorious. This is Obu, the red and yellow frog. Glorious little guy. Then this tangerine frog, I'm a fake fan, I forgot her name, but she is orange with a leaf on her head. Then I've got one of this glorious pink frog, Fatima. 6 of this glorious little tadpole. And then of course my favorite squish-a-long of all time, beautiful Philomena, the purple frog. Alrighty, next beautiful package has a mushroom sticker on it. I'm so obsessed with all the purple wrapping. I feel like it's my birthday. I've got a feeling that this is a Squishmallow clip that I looked for months and could never find. She was sold out online everywhere. Yes, it is the pink banana clip. Her name is Lex, and she is a cheerleader. This is a cheerleading banana. Oh my goodness, look at this one. It's purple with the purple pancakes on it. What is this one? Oh, it's the baby pufferfish keyring. So Holly made me a keyring of Easton the pufferfish. Oh, he's even got a sticker on his little bag. A snack for his journey down to Melbourne. Look at this. He's so cute. Look at all these beads. How magical is he? This is the best because, so he's obviously purple, but he has a silver light, and then there are a bunch of silver beads to match the light and purple beads to match him. I just love how she matches the beads so well to the Squishmallow. Then up the top, how cute is this? He has a little bow bead, the most adorable, and then a little star bead. That is a good spot for him to hang. Oh my goodness, I know I ordered a lot of things for Holly, but literally Christmas. This is my Santa sack and it's Christmas morning right now. Okay, we've got a pink package with Patty on it this time. Oh, this is pretty. A silver package. Okay, this one is actually for my sister. So I'm gonna put these on the side and you'll get to see them at the same time she does. Another pink package. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna cry. So this is the first piece of squish jewelry I will show you today. There's a bunch more in here, but this is one of my favorite Squishmallows miracles. As soon as I saw her, I knew I needed her on a necklace because I just want to wear her with me everywhere. Isn't this beautiful? Isn't Holly the most clever person ever? She put these squish-a-longs on necklaces so you can wear them with you wherever you go. How beautiful is she? It also looks extremely beautiful on Miracle herself. Next is another pink package. Oh, this one is another one for my sister. I'm gonna leave that wrapped. We'll come back to that later. Now, a yellow one with a rutabaga. This is another one for my sister. She's getting more out of this package than I am. So we have my sister Courtney here. She is assembled on the couch with her Walrus Squishmallow army.
Hello.
We have some things for you to open.
Thank you. What have we got? Which one should I open first?
Any. I kind of accidentally opened them because I thought they were mine. But they were yours. So I resealed them so you could open them. Yeah, I know, right?
No. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I see a walrusy creature. Oh, look at him! He's a baby one!
He's got some blue and green beads to match your favorite colors. Yeah, twin! Get him out of his plastic and show us.
Oh my gosh, he has a bow to match mine!
Oh, how cute! Oh, it's like a giant bow!
That is so beautiful because I always wear giant bows!
Yeah, it was custom made for you.
Oh, that's literally me right now.
That's literally your favorite color. That is so perfect.
We match.
You really do. That is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. Okay, what are your other packages?
What is it? Oh my gosh!
What is it?
Look at this one.
We cannot see. It is the Blue Walrus Squish-a-long.
My favorite color. This is so exciting because I was looking after your ones because I didn't have one.
Yes, she was. She stole my walrus squish-a-longs. Now she has her own.
Steal them. I was looking after them. They were with all my other walruses. I love the flower bead. It matches him perfect. A walrus pen! Oh my gosh, I can write all my fabulous walrus activities with my walrus.
Yeah! Isn't that beautiful?
That is so beautiful. Thank you!
And then there's
there's
one
one
more.
It matches these ones too.
They do. They look so cute together.
Ready to go out on the town. Oh, we've got a shark. Is it a shark or is it a whale?
It's a whale.
Whale, you have the whale.
Then it's the
pepper.
matching pepper.
Peppers, Lord.
You're looking very stylish, Pepper.
Yeah,
And now
I
we
gave
have
my
a
walruses
Pepper
those too.
keychain.
Oh, that's so beautiful. Oh, look at that. Pepper got her own Pepper keychain.
Pink walrus squish-a-long keychain.
We have one last secret surprise.
It is a matching pink pen. Goodbye, Courtney. Okay, hopefully this one is for me. Oh, this I think is Micro Mallows. And they're all in purple cases. So Holly opened up a bunch of Micro Mallows and I bought her doubles off her. The first one is, oh my goodness, who is that? It's the anglerfish. And who could this be? I don't know, maybe a purple jam jar. I was never able to open this purple jam jar. She is from series 3. Her name is Argy and look at her. It's a jar of grape jam. So glorious. Micro Mellow number 3 is, this is what I thought was going to be in the other one. I thought it was going to be another anglerfish. This might also be another anglerfish. Oh, look at him. Another anglerfish. So like my squish-a-long frog army, I really wanted an army of little baby anglerfishes. And look at them. They're already successfully infiltrating the Squishmallow squad. Thank you very much for the purple capsules. Okay, next package is a big squishy one. So I'd say this is another Squishmallow she picked up for me. Who is it gonna be? I'm so excited to see. This is someone purple and they're celebrating my birthday. It's not my birthday today, but it may as well be with all these presents I'm opening. Look at this purple dog. Look at her crazy fluffy ears. She has a sparkly star headband. She has the fluffiest ears. They stick up, or you can probably flop them over too. I think they're meant to be flopped over, but they stick up, which is so funny. She's got confetti on her belly and a little purple tail on the back. So cute. And perfect to sit back here with the purple gang. Now this, I think this is Squish-a-long cases. So, this is my girl Naomi on a Squish-a-long case. When I bought Series 1 Squish-a-longs in these mystery cases, I had so many doubles that I was like, I could make a whole garland out of these. And then Series 2 came out, and I could hardly find them anywhere. I only opened one of this case. So, Holly very kindly sent me her doubles so I can achieve all my dreams and make a Squish-a-long case garland. This is gonna be the most beautiful piece of room decor ever. Glorious. Just glorious. Next package is a blue one with Malcolm on top. This is someone purple. Oh my goodness! This is one of my most recent orders. It's a Francie, who has been turned into the most beautiful keychain you've ever seen. She has a bunch of beautiful purple beads as well as these gold beads to match her crown. And then there is a purple and yellow flower that also matches her colors so well. She can go in my bag and come on adventures with me. Look at the baby Francine. I think this is a pretty good spot for her. Alright, next we have a yellow package. Sunny the Bee sticker on there. This one is, oh my goodness. So, as you know, I love purple, I love frogs, so I ordered purple frog squish-a-long jewelry. So it comes in a silver bag, then it has a cute little tag with a frog sticker, and And then you can see the beautiful purple frog necklace with the cutest purple beads, and she's on a purple chain. I will be wearing 2 necklaces today. They look so cute together as well. And then my frog earrings. And they even come on a sparkly purple backing. Look at that. So cute. I'm gonna wear these all the time. These are gonna be my new like everyday earrings. And the fun doesn't stop there. Oh my goodness. When she said get ready to have fun, she really meant it. I'm kind of confused now because this is like everything I remember ordering. What else has she got in here? Oh my goodness. Look at this. I cannot see. This is a squish-a-long bookmark. That's even better than I thought. We have to see how it looks in a book. So we have a book here. Open it up to a random page. Put this long bit down here to mark the page. And then look at that. The frog hangs over the edge. How cute is that? This has made me more excited to read books than anything in my entire life. Then here we've got a squish-a-long keychain. My bags are gonna be looking so good. Look at this. Look at this. I can now hypnotize people out in the wild. These sparkly beads are the cutest. Now I need a third one for the third point. We have 3 packages left, a purple one, a pink one, and a yellow one. I think this yellow one is going to be the final cases for my beautiful garland. Oh, these are the Wendy ones! I forgot I ordered both. Looks like I'm also making a Wendy garland too. Or I could do alternating one. That'd be really cute, alternating them. Or I could have 2. So many things to decide. Alright, second last package feels like some more Micromellow capsules. A bunch of different colours in this one. The orange one. Is it going to be another anglerfish to invade my collection? Yes, yes it is. Is this another anglerfish? Oh my gosh, it's my alien. Oh, this was so kind of Holly because I really wanted the alien and she opened like over 100 Micromellows and didn't get the alien. And then when she finally got it, she agreed to sell it to me. It's okay everyone, the alien Micromellow has finally made it. 2 more left, a yellow one and a pink one. Is this another member of my anglerfish army? Would you look at that? Now, the reason I got so many anglerfishes and one of the reasons I love them so much is every single one has a different tie-dye pattern. These ones happen to be really similar. Like, look at these 2. That's a completely different Squishmallow. And I'm just like, I need them all. Also, I got exactly 6 so they can make a really cute little pyramid. This one should be another anglerfish. And there it is, the top of the pyramid. Okay, the last package from Holly. This is another Squishmallow pickup, another Squishmallow that I couldn't find down here in Melbourne. It is someone green. He's holding a balloon because today is a celebration. It is Henry the party turtle. He has a party hat and a party balloon. Oh, he's so cute. I was like, I need him and his party hat. And now I have him. I don't know why. This birthday squad just never appeared at any Kmart's and Targets around me. And I've been checking Kmart like nearly every day. And they just never came out. Same with that banana. So thank you so much to Holly for getting me my Squish ISOs. And an even bigger thank you for making me so many beautiful Squishmallow things. Please, please, please go check out Holly's Instagram. Give her a follow. Slide into her DMs if you would like some Squishmallow jewelry, some Squishmallow keychains. She does bookmarks, she does pens. She also does other things that I haven't even shown you in this video. She is amazing. She is so creative. Well, thank you so much for watching. Huge thank you to Holly, of course. And I'll see you with some more Squishmallow videos soon. Bye!